This video shows you how to change Samsung Galaxy icons and give your phone a fresh modern look in just a few simple steps. If you are bored with your old home screen style, this guide will help you quickly customize everything. We will start by long pressing on any empty space on your home screen. After that, tap on the themes option that appears on the screen. This is where Samsung allows you to personalize your device with different styles and icon packs. Now go to the Icons tab located at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see many icon packs available, both free and paid, designed to completely change the look of your apps. Browse through the list and select the icon pack you like most. You can preview each design before downloading, so you can choose the one that matches your style and personality. Once you find the right pack, tap download or the price button if it is a premium theme. Wait for it to finish installing completely on your device. After installation is complete, simply tap apply. Within a few seconds, your Samsung Galaxy will automatically update and change all icons to the new style. All set. Your phone now has a brand new icon style. Feel free to explore more themes anytime for a different look.